Hi guys. So this time I am just explaining the owners portal. This is owners portal. Need to log in as admin. Net is pretty slow. Just wait. See, now the owners portal is opened. This is owners portal. This is the place where owners, shop owners will manage their orders and add, modify the products, everything. Only admin login only can be used. Sorry. Okay. The first option is the owners can view pending orders in this tab, and after that whatever the orders completed they can view there. Update means the owners or shopkeepers can mark the orders that I will explain you. Then edit product option is there, then add coupons are there, like then add product image direct, add no products category image. So these are the basic features of an admin portal or owners portal. When you click this pending option, see these are the orders pending. Order number is there, item, quantity, order date, user, their address, everything is there. See the last one is, see, apple 3, order date, user, address, everything is there. So on the basis of this, the shopkeepers can deliver. With the help of this address they can deliver at their doorstep. These are the pending orders. Completed orders, you click, these are the orders fulfilled. See, these are the orders fulfilled. Back. So when these owners or shopkeepers just checking these pending orders to see what are the orders pending at their end, they need to pack, bill it, and once it is delivered they can, they need to update here. Update option is there. These are the pending orders. So this much is the pending orders, this much are the pending orders. So the owners, once, for example, order number this one 627, first one, they are selecting it. See what happened now, they packed everything and they have given also to the customer at their doorstep. Then once it is done they need to they need to click this option, mark completed. That's all. So it is updated. Now if you check in that, it will not show, that 627 is will not be showing there. Back, completed option, you see it is there. I will explain once more time. One more time I will explain. See, pending 44354, order number 44354, one in one. Update, pending orders 44354, mark completed. That's all. Then 44354 will be in completed list. See, one in one, It is in complete list now. This is how shopkeepers track their orders. So pending tab, they can see all the pending orders, and once it is updated, it will go to completed tab. This is order management. These three options: pending, completed, and update. Now edit products is there. When you click that one, you get some option like my products. Select that. You can choose your products. All your products will be listed here. For example, Apple. In characteristics, you click, you can see price, narration, unit, category, everything is there. For example, if you want to change the price, you click the price and update the amount for 33. Just for example, put it updated. So Apple price is changed. You want to see, you just open our this one. Sorry, one second. Just open and see Apple price. Fruits. Apple 433 has come. You change again Apple price. You make it as 120. Updated. Now you take that one and refresh. See, it is changed 120. So owner himself or shopkeeper manager himself can change the price, narration, unit, category. So all products will be listed here. So that is about edit products. So this portal gives the shopkeepers the full rights, complete rights. Then add coupons. This is one of the most interesting characteristics. Add coupon, click. All their customers showing here. They can select any one of the customer and add discount 23%. Add coupon. So for discount for this user is update. If you want to give discount to all users, don't select this one. Add to all. Click 5% discount to all. Add coupon. Discount for all user updated. Just see that one. Just refresh it. Just see apply 5% off is there now. Apply the green color. Apply 5% off has come. You change the discount now. Add to all, discount 18%. For example, refresh. See, one second. Okay, done. Now only done. See, 18% has come. Net is little bit slow here. That's the reason. Now 18% has come. Once you click that one, now the total amount is 1093.32. When you click apply 18% off, coupon applied successfully. Just see, price has total amount reduced. So the owners or shopkeepers can give discounts to a particular user or to all users by clicking here. That's all about discount. So add coupon option is there. Now we'll see how to add products. Now for example I will show here in fruits jackfruit, apple, orange is there. I will add one more fruit here. No, nothing is only three only. I will add one more fruit here. Let's see how the owners, shopkeepers or managers is adding the details. Mango. Name of the product mango. Price 120. Unit kilogram. Category fruits. Just see the category is fruits or not. You come to home page, you can see here fruits. Okay. Similarly, category should be fruits. Narration. Which mango? Mango Alfonso. So product details entered. Now image you need. See, image you want is that it's a JPG format. It should be JPG format. You search some image that I will tell you. Mango. Click here. Download image. Take file manager, rename it. You should have the same name, mango. You open this one, image converter, choose file, mango. It is already JPG only. Otherwise, if it is not JPG, you can convert with this help of this star conversion. Download. Download. It is already in JPG format only. Just take this one, rename mango. See, already one mango is there. So this is the file we converted to JPG. Now I am renaming it to mango. Why mango means the same name should be there. We added this name now. capital MANGO, mango, that only to be done. So choose file, this is product image, choose file, files, that mango taken, then we'll click submit. See, this is added into the category of fruits. The fruits category is already created and an image is also already there. So no need to add any category. Now you refresh it, you can see mango here. Your mango has come here. See, previously mango was not there, now mango has come here. So that's all about adding new products. If you want to create a complete different category, you need to, when you are entering here category, the different category, your things will be created only, there will not be any image for the category. So in order to add image to the category, there is an option called category image. There you need to select the file and put submit. Here the thing to be remembered is category name is equal to image name. Whatever image you are uploading, that image name should be the same of the category. For example, if you are creating one category like mobiles, then image name also should be mobiles. Then only the image will be showing in the category. So this is the basic things. The people can see pending orders and completed orders. They can update orders, edit products. With a full control, they can select the product, all characters including the narration also they can change, and they can update it. It's a completely automated thing. Add coupon, most important thing. If one customer is purchasing more than a particular benchmark, then suppose if the owner wants to give him or her some kind of discounts, say example 5 to 6%, then he can select that particular customer and add percentage of discount and add coupon here. Then that coupon discount it will be showing in his login page. Then they can add product, all those things by themselves fully. No need to depend on us, or no need to depend on any technical service providers. Here in this case Levi's Tech Solutions only, they are completely independent. The shopkeepers or manager, they are completely independent. They can do all the order management, all the product modification, coupon addition, everything they can do in this here. Once done, they can log out. So this is all about the owners portal. Thank you.